country people, welcome back to my channel today. Ilebaye don't come out, come call out a certain Big Brother Naija housemate wey be say dey find her mat. And also Venita don't come out, come give us throwback pictures of when she dey pregnant. So of recent, Venita just come out, come give us the throwback pictures of when she carry her baby, and she come still throw more light about the relationship status. So she come out, come show us this picture, come say 9 years ago when I needed to pee every 10 minutes. See how she even fine sef, she not change, the same body, the same everything. After giving birth to two, she still dey, as in this one a fresh mama. So she come still come for her Instagram story where be say she dey explain about certain things for life. She come say at some point you have to get serious about your life. Delete numbers, stay away from love that isn't real. Hustle harder, get your health right, your spirit right, your mental health right. Stay focused. You gotta demand some respect, not just from people but yourself. Claim it, speak it, see it every day. The truth be say Venita try to really remove herself from that love wey be say she get for Adekunle, wey be say not really work out, e not really easy. Yes, because we see the way she take carry the guy matter for head, so that she even fight her friend wey be Mercy because of him. So come turn her say it not work out. So the girl, she don't really grow ever since. So, and I hope say the thing will continue like that for reunion. So onto Ilebaye matter, Ilebaye just come and start to fight herself according to wetin some netizens talk about. Then she dey throw shade at certain person, and she not gree talk the particular person wey be say she dey throw the shade to. But netizens don come out, come count 5 housemates wey be say they dey believe to say na him the girl dey shade. So Ilebaye come say this particular housemate shouldn't try my patience, because I've been calm since doesn't mean I'm a fool. Fucking annoying. If you see this, better do the needful. I don't drama and don't want me bring out that side, because you will regret it. First of all, her English na the first laugh. They say see winner English, e no sabi speak, e no sabi write, nothing. Say this one they don't forget am. All of a sudden, e wan use clout, unnecessary drama take come back into the spotlight. So some people come dey claim to say na the first person wey be say they mention the name, say na him she dey refer to na Doyin. But for me, I not think say na Doyin, because Doyin and Ilebaye they still dey in good terms. From wetin I don see so far, they follow two of them for social media bumper to bumper, and they notice to say two of them they still dey in good terms, they still dey in talking terms. The second name wey be say netizens dey call say na the girl dey shade na Pere. For Pere own, I not really know whether na Pere na she dey really shade, but from my own opinion, Pere dey busy right now with a movie, and all that boy care about na how he want to promote that movie. And since nobody dey help am promote am, him dey promote a movie by himself. So I not think say he go get that time to go dey fight Ilebaye. I believe just say the reason why people call Pere name na because of that scenario wey happen, that father and daughter scenario wey happen for the Big Brother Naija All-Stars series, but who knows. And the next name wey be say that they call na Alex. Me particularly, I believe to say that Alex she dey refer to. Yes, na wetin me think in my own opinion, because if we really want talk, and Alex na be the only pretender wey be say we really know, where they sabi dey two-faced. So definitely if he still be Alex, and if he be say two of them don't finally fight, so who knows. Another person wey be say people dey suspect, they say na Sisi. For Sisi, I not believe say it go be Sisi, because Sisi no be person. Sisi has never been two-faced. Sisi and two-faced can never be in the same sentence, because that girl, she has always been blunt. If you've come for her, she will tell you exactly the way the thing be, so it can never be Sisi. So the last person wey they mention the name na Venita. They say it go be Venita. Venita na the same thing with Sisi, because Venita, if she not like you, she not dey sabi hide am. She go always dey talk am, she go dey chip am in with small comments, she go dey talk am, all type of thing. So she has never been two-faced. Now wetin you see, now you go get from where Venita dey. So that's why I say for that Alex, when people dey speculate, if he be Alex, because now Alex fits the description perfectly. Make we just see some comments under this thing where we say she post. So the first person can say e no go pass Doyin or Alex. See her English like K-leg winner. Another one can say her headache. The next one say call the person with your full chest, because what is the essence of the half info? The next person say art lost for your phone. No dey stress us, abeg, Nigeria don hard. The truth be say na one thing wey be say me like about Fina. If na Fina dey call you out, that girl go call you out with your full chest. You no bitter, you no fit do her anything. So she go call you out directly to tell you say na you are the fine, na you are the talk to, so that you go know. Doesn't stress you when it comes to that art. Fina no dey stress anybody. So another person can say all for reunion, Biggie and his children are so predictable. Same strategy whenever reunion is about to. Ships will follow soon. Come his. I not think this thing a reunion stunt. I not think say the PRO for reunion, because reunion is still very far. Reunion is still June, either first week of June or the last week of June. Now they always do reunion. So I'm not sure say now they won't start to dey advertise reunion. They do PRO for reunion when Big Brother and Zanzi never even finish. So I'm not thinking that because of that. The next person say, why post when you can't tag how the person won't take no say you dey talk to her? The next one say, they should not bring the other side of you, and you can't call the person out with your full chest. Please don't stress us. We're already going through a lot. The time when we say they won't talk, the most of them know they won't call the person name. They just dey waste person time. They put person in suspense. Whoever that person be, upon reunion day, we go hear all the whole matter. Though the ones wey be say they do for corner, the cheapest money where they collect chop, the one wey be say close door, like in my rose where they close door, the girl come wear mask. We go see all of them last. Una take care, una bye.